All right, same process, we just have a little bit bigger numbers. So first one, here's my decimal. I have one number behind the decimal here. On the bottom number, here's my decimal. I have one number behind the decimal on the bottom number. So once I get my answer, I'm going to move my decimal over 2 places. So now I'm going to multiply just like it's 764 times 25. So first I multiply the 5 times each number. So 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30 plus the 2 would be 32. 5 times 7 is 35 plus the 3, 38. Okay, now I'm done with the 5. Kiss it goodbye. But I have to have that 0 placeholder in its place. And now I multiply the 2 times each number. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14 plus the 1 up here. That's 15. Add that all up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus the 1 that I carried is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 1. And now I go back. I need to move my decimal over 2 places. So I come to the back of the number and I move it over 1, 2. So this becomes 191 or 191.0 or 191 and 0 hundredths, however you want to say that. Okay. But there's my final answer. All right, let's look at the next example. Top number, here's my decimal. I have 2 numbers behind it. The bottom number, here's my decimal. I have 1 number behind it. So when I get my final answer, I'm going to move my decimal over 3 places. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now I'm going to multiply just like it's 261 times 43. So I have to multiply the 3 times each number on top. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Carrying my 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. Okay, I'm done with the 3. Kiss it goodbye. But then I need to hug it out. 0 placeholder. Now I multiply the 4 times each number on top. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 2 that I carried is 10. Add that all up. 3, 12. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 and 1. Got to move my decimal over 3 places, so I come to the back of the number. 1, 2, 3. Needs to go there. So this becomes 11.223, and we would read that number as 11 and 223 thousandths. Okay, let's go to the next example. Here's my decimal. I have 1 number behind it. And the bottom number, here's my decimal, and again 1 number behind it. So when I get my final answer, I'm going to move my decimal over twice. So now I just multiply like it's 396 times 53. I have to multiply the 3 times each number. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27, plus the 1 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 2 is 11. Okay, done with the 3, kiss it goodbye, and then I need my 0 placeholder. Then I multiply the 5 times each number. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 9 is 45, plus the 3 is 48. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 9, or plus the 4 is 19. Add that all up. 8, 8, 9, 10, carry my 1, 2. And then I move my decimal over 2 places. So I come to the back of the number, 1, 2, decimal goes here, 209.88, and we would read that number as 209 and 88 hundredths. Okay, last example on this page. Top number, here's my decimal. I have 2 digits behind it. On the bottom, here's my decimal. I have 1 digit behind it. Add that up. I got to move my decimal 3 places. Okay, so now I'm just multiplying like it's 327 times 85. So first I multiply the bottom number times each number on top. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 3 is 13, carry my 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 1 is 16. Kiss that 5 goodbye. And then I need to hug it out or have my 0 placeholder. And now I multiply the 8 times each number. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Add that all up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 2. And then I got to move my decimal over 3 places. So I come to the back of the number. 1, 2, 3. My decimal is going to go right here. So this becomes 27 795 thousandths. All right, I'll let you continue and finish the rest on your own. Make sure you show your work. Work out the problems, and if you have any questions, please raise your hand.